Let us solve this profit and loss question. A trader offers successive discounts of 15% and 20% on a product and still makes a profit of 10%. What is the marked up price provided the cost price is 1224? So please have a look at it. What if the list price or marked up price is X rupees? And that is what we need to find out in the problem, which is X rupees. As per the problem, there are two successive discounts that are offered. The first discount is given as 15%. So please have a look at it. 15% from a value is gone. So how much you're left with? 85%. So 85% of X will be left after giving 15% discount, isn't it? And then further 20% discount is also offered. So if you offer 20% discount on this value, 20% is gone. What are you left with? You're left with 80%. 80% of this value. 80% of this value. And this will be nothing but selling price, isn't it? This will be nothing but selling price. Now problem says that the cost price is this much. What is the marked price if the cost price is 1224? And 10% profit is being made. So 10% profit will be made on the cost price. So can I say that selling price should be cost price plus profit, and the profit is 10% of cost price. So can I also say that selling price is going to be 110% of cost price? If you study with us, probably these things are going to be really very simple for you. As of now, it might look a bit complicated, but it is not. The selling price obviously is 11 by 10 times of the cost price. Right? And we know what is the cost price. So over here in this equation, probably what I am going to be doing is 1224 into 11 by 10. That is what is the selling price. Now I need to find out the value of X. 80% can be written as 4 by 5. 85% can be written as 17 by 20. Please simplify this for yourself. Into X should be equivalent to 1224 into 11 by 10. This can be, this is 2, right? And then this is 2. And then what can happen? This is 2 and this is 6, 1, 2. So the value of X will be, it is going to be 612 into 11 into 5, and finally you have got 17 in the denominator. That is what we need to do. So this is what 17 3s are 51, and then 102, and this is 36. Now what do we have is 36 into 5 is 180. 180 into 11 is 1980 rupees. So what is the marked up price as per the problem? It is 1980, and here it is your option number B. Isn't it simple, right? If it is not, please don't worry. When you study with us, we will make every concept simple.